Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. So I just want to show you guys today's harvest. I have not harvested in probably about 2 weeks because my son was here and I've been super busy. So I've harvested some, but not a lot, as you can see by the huge giant cucumbers that were supposed to be this size so that I can pickle them. So yeah, so I guess I'm going to do pickle spears tomorrow, which would be Monday. And I need to figure out what I'm going to do with my lemon cucumbers and my peppers. I'm probably going to roast and just freeze. And all of my tomatoes here. These are the first San Marzanos that I got. I have all of this eggplant. I think I'm going to put this in olive oil and preserve it in the refrigerator. I have 2 more wax peppers to add to my the rest of my my beans. Not wax peppers, wax beans, you guys. Oh my gosh. All of these sugar snap peas that I have right here. I need to figure out what to do with these. I am going to pull the plants tomorrow. Those are the ones that have the mildew on them. I have some tomatillos here, oops, out of the skin, and then tomatillos in the skin right here that are probably going to come out tomorrow. And then all of this 8-ball zucchini. These are so good, you guys. If you've never tried these, oh my gosh. Let me know if you need seeds for these. These are amazing. So these are sweeter than like Black Beauty zucchini. These are really, really good. You want them to be about this size, about softball size, maybe just a little bit bigger. These got way too big. These are like miniature pumpkins. But they will be fine. I'm probably going to make some fried zucchini out of that one. And yeah, so that's it. There are strawberries out there. And I'm probably going to harvest those tomorrow. I've been freezing my strawberries because I want to make jam. And I will be doing that this week. I should have enough for jam. But I just wanted to show you guys the harvest. So, like I said, pickle spears out of these guys. And I may dehydrate some of these just to have for water. I have a ton of these coming ripe really soon. And a ton more tomatoes are coming ripe, a ton more eggplant. If you guys have any eggplant recipes other than eggplant parmesan or preserving them in oil, anything that you guys like an eggplant lasagna, if you have a really good recipe for that, let me know. And I will try to do that. I love eggplant and these look amazing. So these eggplant plants are actually 2 years old. I planted them as soon as we moved in here. And this is the first year that they've given us eggplant, big eggplant. The first year were all this size like that, but these look absolutely amazing. These are really good. And then I'm going to be making salsa with my tomatillos, and I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with the peas. I've been eating the peas, honestly. There's not enough to can. I really don't want to dehydrate them, so I have a lot of peas dehydrated already, so we shall see what I do with them. I'm not sure yet. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Otherwise, I have a lot more peppers to pick. Like I said, I'm going to roast these and then I'm probably going to freeze them because I don't have a lot of peppers coming ripe at the same time. These are all hatch chili peppers. You can see this one's been on the counter and this one has turned red already. These are so good. So good. So, yeah, let me know if you guys have any recipes or anything you want to see. And I will certainly show you guys this week. I have a collab coming up. August 1st from Garden to Pantry with some really top-notch canners, preservers. I think you guys are going to really enjoy that. And then I'm involved in a collaboration with another group of canners, and I'm going to be making jam for the Jamboree for August. That's going to be a lot of fun, so look forward to seeing corncob jelly and some lemon and orange curd for me. Those are coming soon in the collab. So just want to show you guys again. And as always, any suggestions, email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com or leave a comment. Always leave a comment and let me know that you guys are here. We're going to be doing a live this week. I'm not sure of the day, probably Wednesday or Thursday. And we are going to be giving away some debubblers and some seeds and some other things too. So maybe another canning book. We shall see. So I am looking forward to hitting 7,000 subscribers. So if you guys would, if you would share my channel, I would really appreciate it. It helps my channel. And we're growing, you guys. It's just kind of been slow because I really haven't been promoting it as I should. But I have all the time in the world now, so we're gonna get going with this. We're gonna be making some more masks and selling them on Etsy. And my debubblers are still on Etsy. Look up Jack and Diane Designs or the Canning Nana. It will pull them both up. And still, the proceeds are going to Heather at the Needy Homesteader. 25% of the, or $2 of the debubblers are going to Heather. And then I have my links for the Avon and Herbalife and Le-Vel. 25% are going to her. So if you would share my link, we want to help Heather always. Don't want to forget her at all. It's only been 5 months, guys. We have a long time to go, and she needs all the support that we can give her. So keep her in your prayers. I really appreciate it. Yeah, just keep her in your prayers, and she's gonna get through this, but it's gonna be pretty tough, and she needs all the prayers that she can get. So I really appreciate it, you guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Please leave a comment, and the word of the day is pickles. So if you guys have watched all the way through to this point, put pickles in the comment, and you will be entered with an additional entry to win one of the giveaways this week. So put pickles in the comment. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you soon.